If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Proton VPN, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. This guide will walk you through each step. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Proton VPN website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. Look for the section that displays your current subscriptions and pending transfers. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. In the dashboard, find the pending transfer you wish to cancel. This may be listed under a specific tab or section dedicated to transactions or subscriptions. Step 4. Select the cancel option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the ISROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel the pending transfer. Review any information provided and confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification or email confirming that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transfer on Proton VPN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Proton VPN's customer support for further assistance.